Camera and action.
These are Pyssla beads. They're really small. You can make little designs. Made one here. I'm starting to make one here. I've got a couple up there. I'll go get them. I'll show you what they look like when they've been ironed. Come. So these are what they look like.
Okay, so how do we get them to go like that though?
So you get it. You make like something, whatever you want, on one of these boards.
Okay, and these are all the different colour beads you can use, are they?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's lots of colours in there.
Yep.
And you can, when you make designs, you iron them. Make sure you have an adult to iron them.
Okay, so what do? You put a piece of, it's like greaseproof paper, special paper on top or something, is it?
Yeah, you put special paper over it.
Yeah.
And then greaseproof paper.
Yeah.
And then you iron it over.
Yeah.
And then when you've ironed it, till there's like no circles on one side.
Yeah.
There's circles on the other side. You take it off the board, and then you flip it over.
Yeah.
And then you iron the other side, and then it turns out with pretty much no holes.
Oh, okay, right. Yeah. Well, what we'll do then is we'll get a design ready, and then we'll show you how to do it with the iron, shall we?
Mum has to do it.
Yeah, how Mum has to do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. Bye. Okay, so where are you now, Harrison?
Oh my God!
Okay, these the last ones.
Yay!
Last one. 3, 2, 1.
That's it. Do you want to turn it around so we can see? Okay, so we made a flame. A bit like a campfire flame. Okay, so what are we going to do with that now, Harrison, did you say?
So now we need to get the special paper.
Yeah.
I think it's still on the ironing board.
Yeah.
And then we're going to iron it.
Yep.
Over. And then when this side's got pretty much no holes, we're going to flip it over. Take it off the thing, and then take it off the board. Flip it over. And we're going to iron that side, and then it's going to be done.
Okay, so we'll go and heat up the iron, and we'll be back shortly. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, Harrison, here we are again.
So here's the iron. I'm not allowed to touch it.
Okay, you can see it's on. See the lights on? So if the light's on, the iron's going to be hot. In fact, even if the light's off, the iron can be hot, so we don't touch it.
Here's my fire. Looks like it's a special paper. It's called greaseproof paper. I told you before. And we've got to wait for Mum to iron it.
Okay, so what do we do with the greaseproof paper?
So what we do, we put it over on this.
Oh, okay.
And then Mum will iron it.
Yeah.
Till it's got about no holes. What she's going to do, take it off, flip it over.
Yeah.
Flip it over onto onto this.
Yeah.
And then she's gonna iron it, and then she's gonna iron it on the other side, and then it's finished.
Okay, so let's wait for Mummy to come in then.
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for part 4. Bye. Okay, Harrison, off you go.
Not this close to the iron. Okay.
You need to put that on top.
So what are we doing, Harrison? We've turned the iron on.
On wool setting.
On wool setting.
Okay. Then what do we do? What's that paper we've put on top again?
Greaseproof paper on.
Yeah. Okay.
And you iron it.
Okay.
Until the beads get dark through the paper. See how some of them are getting dark?
Yeah.
So that's what we're trying to get.
Are you pushing down on that, or are you just ironing?
So you've got to keep moving. You can't leave it on in one spot. Can you see how they're getting darker?
I think they're supposed to go together.
Just take your hands away. It's very hot.
So the bead's actually melting, is that what's going on?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Then about, think about now you maybe need to swap sides.
So what you do is, you carefully take it off.
Yeah.
You see, they're not all melted. I think we're a little bit longer.
I think that's, no, that's
See?
fine. It's
See
fine.
how some of those are?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
If they're like
Well, we've got to wait for it to cool down before we can turn it off.
Alright, let's just pause it for a minute. Okay, this is another one that Ben's done. We'll just do this one while the other one's cooling down.
We've still got another one there as well. So you would iron it for about 30 seconds and keep moving.
I don't think it's more than 30 seconds.
30,
Maybe a minute, huh?
45 seconds to a minute.
It's really until all the holes have all just melted, isn't it?
Yeah, until apparently you can see they darken. See how they darken through the paper?
No, you should still be able. You should be able to still see some holes. That's okay if they're like that. Because you might want to make earrings out of them, or maybe like anything.
Do one at a time. See how they're getting darker, some of them?
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, I
that was a
think
break
that's-
for
I
about a
think
minute
that-
just so we can
I think that's
skip
good.
along.
That's how they're supposed to be.
There we go, that's perfect. There we go. Okay, now the other one's cooled down now, so we're going to bring the one we made earlier.
It's starting to separate from here.
Yeah, you see it comes away.
But just make sure it doesn't break.
Bit tricky.
If you don't rip them.
There we go, look at that. Okay, so we've turned it the other way around now.
Looks
Okay,
so
Harrison, you
cool.
carry on. What's Mummy doing now?
So she's turned it over.
Yeah.
Off the board.
Mm-hmm.
Turned it over. And now she's gonna do this side. The side of it, and then
Okay.
she's gonna do this one.
Yeah.
And then she's gonna do that one.
All
She's gonna
right.
do one side of one of these.
Mm-hmm.
One that one, then that one, and she's gonna iron the other side of that one.
Ah, okay.
And she's gonna do the other side of it.
Okay, we'll just pause this for a minute.
I think there's still holes.
I'm just going to go for a little bit longer.
Wait, have you got the video back on?
Video's back up.
Not make it bigger.
There we go. So taking the greaseproof paper off, and we just let that cool down and dry. You put it back on the greaseproof paper.
I think that's a bit too wet. I think that's a bit too
No,
And
not
then
too much.
They're going to do the other one. Okay. Thank you, Mummy, for doing that. You're welcome.
Bye.